Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of memes and exploring how you can create your very own hilarious and shareable content on Instagram. I'm Christy, and I'm excited to guide you through the process of making awesome memes. So without further ado, let's get started.
3, 2, 1, go!
Step 1. Understanding memes. Memes are funny and relatable content. Know the formats that work best. Step 2. Find inspiration. Explore Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and meme platforms for trends and ideas. You will also get meme ideas from your life incidents that can be relatable for others too. Step 3. Use meme-making tools. Try apps like PicsArt, Canva, Imclip, or Memetic for easy meme creation. I personally use PicsArt for making memes, and it's easy to make it. So let's see how I make memes. Step 4. Finding photos for memes. I mostly use Pinterest to download any kinds of pictures. See how I'm downloading pics for meme. The title of our meme is this: when they call themselves a BTS army but they don't stream or vote. Step 5. Adjusting the picture. Now open PicsArt and first crop the pic into a rectangle shape. Then adjust your pic into a white background which is in square shape. PicsArt doesn't allow us to screen record while editing, so just understand what I'm saying. Step 6. Writing the title. Open Phonto to write your title into the picture. See how I adjusted the pic into the white background. Now write the title with a catchy font like how I'm doing. Just follow whatever I'm doing to understand the way of making memes. I already have a meme account on Instagram, that's why I'm already experienced in making memes. You can check out my meme account if you want. It's at kkbtsffs. The font name which I used for meme is Cabin Bold. Editing process is always time-taking, so you have to be patient while editing any photo or video. I speeded up all the process, so if you aren't able to see it clearly, then you can slow down the video to understand it fully. So now the meme is ready. Here's your meme. See how it looks. I gave you an example of meme. Just like this, you can also make more memes on Instagram. Step 7. Timing is key. Stay updated on trends and current events for relevant memes. Step 8. Engage with your audience. Interact with comments, share user memes, be a part of the community. Conclusion. Have fun and spread laughter with your awesome memes on Instagram. Enjoy meme making. By the way, if you want to know how to make a video edit, then click on this video here. Till then, I will meet you in my next video. See you next time.